Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV here in Junction City. I want to talk to you today about this Salem Hemisphere Lite. It's a 2015. We just got it in. It is a stellar trailer. It's a 299 RE. It's a rear entertainment. It's going to walk you through some of the features that really set this apart, really make this a great deal, and make it a pretty spectacular buy as well. We have right off the front here, we have your electric tongue jack. It's a really easy push button up and down. Two 7-gallon tanks working in tandem. Automatically switches over if one of them goes dry, so you don't have to switch them over personally yourself. You have a wrapped cap on the front. It's an aluminum superstructure in here, so your frame is all aluminum. You have fiberglass siding. Really nice wrapped cap. Makes it so that you don't have any seams in the front for any kind of availability for water leakage. Huge pass-through storage here. Really nice. You can see some of that aluminum frame in there. You have push button stabilizer jacks. There's no more cranking involved. A really easy push button there. And one of the things that sets this trailer apart, there are 3 slides. One really big one in the bedroom, plus 2 in the rear area. An enormous awning here, and we're going to step inside and check out some of the other features too. Oh, one thing to point out actually. Each one of the slides has a slide topper already on it. It's a pre-owned unit. That is a really nice upgrade to find in a pre-owned unit. It's going to save you some money there as well. So come on inside. It's a really nice entrance here. Right off the bat, there's a really nice storage right when you walk in. Lots and lots of storage. Your deep pantry here, literally arm's length deep here, up and down. And when you walk in, you notice right off the bat that the space is just huge. Really well kept too. Barreled roof actually makes the space even feel much bigger. 2 opposing slide outs. You have your recliners with your cup holders and everything on one side, and you have your hide-a-bed on the other. And it's all kind of looking towards your fireplace, which also has storage, your television, and it's still really bright. There's windows all around you. It's really, really nice. U-shaped dinette, also pretty stellar. Really nice cushions on this too. The storage underneath either side of this. Solid surface countertops. You have a really nice flush mount for your sink. It's a divided sink with a nice pull-down faucet head as well. Really nice wood, attention to detail here on the cabinetry. And one feature that is a little bit hidden away here, you have central vacuuming. This trailer has a ton of space. This is actually almost more comparable to a floor plan you'd see in a fifth wheel in a trailer. And it's a 2015, which means there's a stellar deal to be had on it. Really nice trim and detail for your fridge, and really kind of blends in really nicely as well. And one of the things about this space is that no two areas are kind of stepping on each other's toes. So if you're dining, if you're watching television, or if you're in the kitchen kind of preparing food, you're not in anybody else's way at all. There's enough space to move around here really, really easily, and it kind of gives since the entrance is in the center here, and you kind of choose left or right when you walk in, it really makes a great division of space. So you can have somebody in the bedroom or in the bathroom, and they're really not kind of disturbing anyone in the main space as well. Let's just walk through the bathroom to the bedroom. Really nice glass enclosure for your big shower, a nice vanity, and a true medicine cabinet here. A little bit of a rare find there as well. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom, so you just walk straight through into your big bedroom here. You have an enormous wardrobe here. Tons of hanging space, plus drawer space as well. There's a lot of storage in this trailer, and if somebody's looking for either a destination trailer or something that they're really going to be traveling and living in for a longer period of time, a ton of space here, a lot of versatility. And you also have, not only with that cabinet space, that wardrobe space on the side, hanging space on either side, plus really nice drawer space and everything for keeping anything you need at hand, and a lot of space to keep things away. If you have any other questions about this trailer, it's a stellar deal. We just got it in. A really good opportunity for someone. If you have any other questions about this trailer or any other trailers in the lot, stop by Junction City and say hello. My name is Jake.